Happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Hope you went to church today. Hope you went to church. I'm sorry I didn't go to church today because my mother-in-law's birthday is coming up next week, Saturday, and we're currently in the family house. So we are doing a lot of renovation and a lot of work in the compound. So that's why I didn't go to church. That's not even the main reason, safe. Because I don't know how to drive and my husband is very busy. He wasn't able to take us to church, so we didn't go. If you're seeing the video for the first time, my name is Cindy of Cindy's Living. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for your support. I am really grateful. God bless you so much for always watching our videos. It means a lot to me. So I want to cook stew and pepper soup for my family and the people working in the compound. Yes, I think it's really a lot of cooking. I'll be making rice. Okay, the rice is on fire currently. So let's get into the video. So my husband already gone to the market to get some things we'll be using. He got this chicken. I think this chicken is for the pepper soup. Then he got this meat for the stew. I will take in some chicken from here. So then this is scent leaf and this pepper. The rice is already on the fire. Precious! Never started. Are you sure? We didn't buy it. He didn't buy enough tomatoes because we have this leftover in the fridge, and I'm not sure this one will be enough for the stew I want to cook now. But I think I'm just going to. I have stew in the fridge already. When I finish cooking this one, I'll just mix it up with the other one. I just hope it comes out plenty. See why women should always be going to the market? You see the small thing he went to buy. He's not even buy tomatoes. If I don't go to the market, I'll buy everything. This socket is not working, so let's try out another place. So they want to interlock the compound, the whole compound now. Get out from there. Well, it's going down. It's going down. Hey.
Caesar will do video and I want to ask the son or Joe.
Where enter? No man, they don't go now.
I don't know. They don't go.
They don't come here.
So send them.
You call them.
Not call out. All last thing is
Nah, don't worry. I feel no sleep problem. I think the sleep problem. Nah, no, brother. He did not have a night rest last night.
they do your uncle make come take over this thing. Like I did. I bet they do. This one my own. Me get.
That one on my own.
Are you getting there?
I have that side, I have flesh.
Precious, no
If
dey
people
book
dey
chop.
book for chicken, if they book.
Precious no dey book chop. I don't know why she dey book. So I'm starting with the pepper soup first because the people are hungry already. So I need to just hurry this one fast. Babe, oh. Babe. So this is for the pepper soup, and this I'll be adding this one to the meat for the stew. fed them, and I want to bathe my baby now. And this is almost 1:30. It's almost 1:30. I'm so exhausted. So we have officially come to the end of this particular video. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please do like this particular video. Share. Baby is